How to pay DoorDash with a gift card. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up your DoorDash account and make sure that it is up to date. You also have to log into your DoorDash account. Once you are in your account, you will see some of the food items that firstly you have to purchase. Select the quantity and meal of your preference. Then once you are done shopping, you can go ahead and select the option of continue. Now once you are here, when you are checking out from your account, you will see redeem a gift card to add credit option. You simply have to go ahead and select that option. Once you tap on it, you will find a dialog box where you can enter a 16-digit number of your gift card, which will be at the back of your card. Make sure to enter it correctly. Now once you are checking out, you will see substantial discount in your grand total after using the gift card. You can also receive some of the promo codes and benefit by referring to a friend. You can use this for future preference. To refer a friend, you have to tap on the setting option of your DoorDash. From all of the options, right below gift card, you will see refer friend. You have to select refer friend. Then here is the link which you can share with a friend and you will receive some of the credit once the person does their very first order. And that is how you can easily use those credit to get substantial discount as well. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in.